Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Ipsy for June. This is my bag. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Join our squad, give me a thumbs up, and let's see what's in my bag. This month they have different colored bags to celebrate Pride Month, so there's all different colors. I was really hoping I'd get blue or maybe purple or maybe red and not yellow, and so thank goodness I didn't get yellow because you know I hate yellow. But do you like my little pink puff earrings? Aren't they cute? Anyway, first I'm going to start off with something that I used my points on. This is a lip stain by Aura. Never used it before. Ooh, it has a hot pink cap, so this is going to be great for summer. I think I'm going to love it. I'll let you know once I use it. In my bag there are 3 skincare items, which I'm super not pumped about because I test skincare regularly for other brands and I can't always get to just small sample sizes. This is Bare Minerals Skinsorials. It's a serum to promote skin's vitality. May or may not use it because I'm testing a whole bunch of other stuff. This is the MAC Prep and Prime, which I do love. This is a little travel size. It'll last you for a week on your vacay. I do like this. I have a bunch of these though. And, well, anyway, not mad at it. This is Dr. Lil Fan Probiotic Eye Repair Cream. Again, I have several eye creams that I'm testing right now, and I don't know if I'll get around to using this or not. I'm not super excited. I got 3 skincare products, but last month in May I got a perfume, and I have opted out of perfume with Ipsy. So I was kind of mad. So I didn't film, plus I had some asthma stuff going on, so I didn't film my May Ipsy or my May BoxyCharm for that matter. But anyway, such drama for a $10 bag, right? So here we have Finding Ferdinand. This is a mini lipstick, which I love. Love little mini lipsticks. It's about the size of my pinky, a little bit less. This is called Au Naturel. It's called Au Naturel. It's nice. Looks like a beigey. Oh, goes up and it goes down. That's good. It's a beigey, pinky beige. This is like Kim Kardashian, only my color of Kim Kardashian, because Kim wears a lot of real yellow nudes. This is like pinky nude. This is my color nude. Not mad at it. And then we have Be Bright, a concealer from Kokie Cosmetics. This looks like it would be a good color for me. I'll try it. I don't know how it dries down or anything. This is the first time I've swatched it. It's a nice beige with a pink undertone, so I'm happy about that. Thank you. Anyway, so that's my Ipsy bag for June. Had to think what month we're in. That's my Ipsy bag for June. Did you get the same things as I did in my Ipsy bag? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you got and what you're mad at and what you're not mad at. Thanks for shopping. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, because why not be the encourager? So until next time, bye.